There is a lot of information about the new Hazard Communications Program that's changing the way organizations comply with the new rules. This program is an explanation of how to comply without changing your entire Hazcom program. The Globally Harmonized System, or GHS, is an international approach to hazard communication, providing agreed criteria for classification of chemical hazards, and a standardized approach to label elements and safety data sheets. It is based on major existing systems around the world, including OSHA's Hazard Communication Standard and the chemical classification and labeling systems of other U.S. agencies. The result of this negotiation process is the United Nations document entitled Globally Harmonized System of Classification and Labeling of Chemicals, commonly referred to as the Purple Book. OSHA has modified the Hazard Communication Standard, or HCS, to adopt the GHS to improve safety and health of workers through more effective communications of chemical hazards. The GHS provides a standardized approach, including detailed criteria for determining what hazardous effects a chemical poses, as well as standardized label elements assigned by hazard class and category. This will enhance both employer and worker comprehension of the hazards, which will help to ensure appropriate handling and safe use of workplace chemicals. In addition, the safety data sheet requirements establish an order of information that is standardized. The harmonized format of the safety data sheets will enable employers, workers, health professionals, and emergency responders to access the information more efficiently and effectively, thus increasing their utility. Adoption of the GHS in the U.S. and around the world will also help to improve information received from other countries. Since the U.S. is both a major importer and exporter of chemicals, American workers often see labels and data sheets from other countries. The diverse and sometimes conflicting national and international requirements can create confusion among those who seek to use hazard information effectively. During the phase-in period, employers would be required to be in compliance with either the existing HCS or the revised HCS, or both. OSHA recognizes that hazard communication programs will go through a period of time where labels and SDSs under both standards will be present in the workplace. This will be considered acceptable, and employers are not required to maintain two sets of labels and SDSs for compliance purposes. OSHA is requiring that employees are trained on the new label elements, such as pictograms and